Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this past week I went to Peru, and if you guys have not gone to Peru, I will say it was one of the best places that I personally have ever visited. Machu Picchu was literally breathtaking, and that is what this vlog is going to consist of. Just kind of like my adventures and the things that I did in Machu Picchu. It's a quick 4-minute video, so please go ahead and like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Machu Picchu is a little ways from Cusco. We got up really early to hop onto a bus ride, and then we hopped onto a 2-hour train ride. Eventually, once we arrived, you have the option of paying for another bus to take you up to Machu Picchu, or you could do the hike. We decided to go ahead and take the bus. By all means, we still did a full workout once we arrived to Machu Picchu. Remember that Machu Picchu is a one-way hike, so once you arrive to this view, enjoy it. Take your time and soak in this amazing view because you will not see it again on your hike. Me and my cousins decided to add on to our hiking trail and visit the famous bridge. This is a bridge that connected Machu Picchu to Cusco. It's about a 30-minute hike, but I will say the views are gorgeous. And if you have the time, by all means, go ahead and do it.
Okay, for those of you who don't know, I am a little scared of heights. So let me show you guys where I'm at. Look where I'm walking. Look at that. Oh, nope. There is no rope, nothing. They say that this is a sacred land. That there's supposedly, if we get too close to the edge, there's a wind that tries to pull you. So they've instructed me to hold on to this, and I'm deciding just to go. My cousin and her friends are there. That's the bridge that they would use to go to Cusco. Yeah, we walked to the bottom to where they had all of their houses. Beautiful.
Just like rocks.
Being walked.
Check this out.
Ciao, Carla.